Plethysmograph. Plethysmograph is used to measure the volume changes in any part of the body that results from the pulsation of blood occurring with each heartbeat. It's also used to measure the total lung capacity. These measurements are useful in diagnostic of arterial obstructions and pulse wave velocity measurements which may lead to determined heart rate. It consists of a rigid cup or chamber placed over any of the body, normally limb or digit, in which the volume changes are to be measured. The cup is tightly sealed to a member and changes in the volume reflect the pressure changes of air inside the chamber. Thus, measuring pressure change at constant volume conditions or measuring volume change at constant pressure condition, we can do useful measurements. Depending upon the nature of the sensor, it can be called capacitance plethysmography, mercury strain gauge plethysmography, photoelectric plethysmography, and impedance plethysmography. The principle of operation of plethysmography depends on the Boyle's law, which states that given Kelvin's temperature and the pressure of the given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its volume. That is, P into volume equal to K1 into T, where K1 is the constant. Since the patient is made to sit inside the airtight chamber whose temperature is constant, P into volume equal to constant. Partially differentiating the above equations, differentiate B volume equal to P volume by B dP in plus P volume by volume D volume. Differentiate the volume. Or volume dP plus P differentiate volume equal to 0. Finally, dP by D volume equal to minus P by volume. Now the door of the airtight chamber is sealed with the patient inside and the valve of the mouthpiece is closed. The patient cannot breathe with the valve closed, so the air pressure in the mouthpiece is equal to the lung pressure Pt. In the body, differentiate TLC by dPt equal to minus TLC by Pt, where TLC equal to thorax volume, Pt is thorax pressure. In the chamber, differentiate volume C by differentiate Pc equal to minus volume C by Pc, where volume C is chamber volume, Pc is chamber pressure. Since the chamber is closed, any increase in the thorax volume cause decrease in the chamber volume of air. That is, D volume C equal to minus dTLC. Simplifying, TLC by Pt, differentiate Pt equal to minus volume C by chamber pressure, differentiating the chamber pressure. Since the changes in pressure induced by breathing motions are small when the patient is sitting normally, Pc equal to Pt. Therefore, TLC equal to minus volume chamber, differentiate pressure chamber by differentiate pressure thorax. Procedure. First, mouthpiece valve is closed and the patient is sitting inside the chilled chamber. Now the patient is asked to make a breathing motion. The changes in the pressure reading in the pressure gauge 1 is noted down. This gives dPt. The change in pressure reading in the pressure gauge 1 is noted down. This gives dPc. Thus, the knowing the volume of VLC, the TLC can be calculated using this formula. TLC equal to volume C in change differentiate the chamber pressure by differentiating pressure thorax.